Nature tourism is an alternative getaway after going through busy days in the city. In Bangka Belitung, the Hill Waterfalls are one of the choices, especially for those who like adventures. Here, visitors can visit 9 waterfalls, which were recently opened by local residents. Lakadang Waterfall is the first spot that will welcome visitors. Here, visitors can bathe in the natural pool as much as they like. After that, there is the Kolam Panjang Waterfall, which natural shape is like a man-made swimming pool.
Jadi banyak sekali kolam-kolam di sini, air terjunnya keren-keren. Yang paling tertinggi sementara akan dibuka namanya air terjun Palawija. Mungkin agak jauh dari sini, kurang lebih 40 menit dari sini.
Besides the 2 waterfalls, there are Meruyan, Batu Hambar, Palawija, and other waterfalls.
Batu Hampar.
Visitors can also camp here, precisely at Meruyan Waterfall, which is located at an altitude of 190 meters above sea level. With complete facilities such as prayer rooms, toilets, and wardrobes.
Jadi teman-teman kalau mau kesini jalan sangat safety. Karena apa? Setelah berteman masyarakat sini membuka akses untuk jalur aman. Jadi kalau jangan khawatir kalau ekstrim, enggak, insya Allah enggak aman. Jadi bisa ajak keluarga, bisa camping, dan air terjunnya bersih banget, keren, senang banget.
Besides the waterfalls, visitors who are tired can enjoy the sensation of fish therapy in a pond while enjoying Bangka food. Hill is indeed hampering visitors with a variety of beauty and naturalness, combined with minimal human touches so that visitors from the city can still feel comfortable. See Today contributor reporting from Bangka, Bangka Belitung.